Designing a food processing facility isn't just about efficiency, it's about safety. The goal is to minimize harborages, prevent pest entry, and eliminate contamination sources. With foods vulnerable to microbial attack and environmental pollutants, achieving high levels of product safety and sterility is non-negotiable. Plant location is critical. Facilities must be away from contamination sources like chemical plants or livestock housing. If unavoidable, stringent measures are necessary to block odors and contaminants. Site preparation demands thorough cleaning, proper drainage, and strategic lighting to deter insects, with a focus on minimizing dust and vermin attraction. The exterior isn't just for looks, it's a fortress against pests. Receiving areas are the last line of defense, designed to minimize contamination. Driveways should be paved, not asphalt, to discourage rodents. And don't forget about the roof, smooth and cleanable to prevent unwelcome guests attracted by food-related dust. Inside, every detail matters. From rapid open-close doors to discourage flying pests, to sloped windowsills designed to prevent dust accumulation. The materials matter too, concrete walls over cinder blocks, and definitely no corrugated metal siding unless it's well sealed. It's all about creating a space that's as easy to maintain as it is hard for pests to penetrate.